Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In this video I'm going to create the Laravel project and Vue project. I have opened here the Laravel and you can go to documentation here and install it and so on. Create a Laravel project, also the same thing. For the Vue.js I have opened here the Vue.js, and for the Vue.js we are going to work with a composition API. I think options API is old school now. So go to quick start and here we have a commands. I'm going to use ban, but you can use what you like. Just copy the command and run there. Also, I have opened here the terminal. I am in the sites directory. Now you can structure how you want the projects. For example, you can create a folder with name what you like, for example Laravel Vue, and then put the Laravel project and the Vue.js project. But in my case, I'm going to create a Laravel project in the sites directory, and inside the sites directory I have also a Frontend directory, and here also I have a Vue.js directory because I work also with React and Next.js. So here now I'm going to create a Vue project. Okay, I'm going to name it Frontend. Hit enter. I'm going to add TypeScript, but this is not required. You can work with JavaScript. And now I'm not going to add JSX support. I'm going to add a Vue router. We need the Vue router because we are going to navigate from login, dashboard, and so on. So let's add the Vue router. Pinia, I'm not going to add Pinia, but you can do that if you have worked with Pinia. Okay, we can add also later if we want. And no. Also, no, right here, now cd in the front end and run the ban install. And we are okay. Good. I'm going to open a new terminal here and just navigate in the sites directory. And here I'm going to create a Laravel project. I'm going to name it Backend, but you can name it what you like. So Backend, hit enter. Now you can choose no starter kit. You can choose Laravel Breeze and choose the API version. Let's choose Laravel Breeze and hit down. We have the API only. You can also install manually, but we are going to see what this is going to do for us. So I'm going to say API only, paste, and this is going to create the project for us. Also, let's come here. Yeah, let's choose MySQL. Okay. I have opened the database. So we are good. I'm going to hit enter here. I'm going to open this project with Windsurf, the Vue.js. Okay, so here we are. Let me just zoom it like this. And yeah, we have a source directory with assets, with components, hello world, and so on. The router, which here we have only the home and the about by default. Then we have views, home, and about. On the app, here is the app script, import the router link and add here the router link and the styles here. So if I run here npm run dev now, npm run dev is going to open this project in the localhost 5173, which I'm going to change that. So I'm going to stop this and let's go to vid config. Now this is not required, but I prefer to have a port. So let's say server, and I'm going to add the port 3000. Now let's save this. Let's open again the terminal and run the npm run dev, and we're going to have on the localhost 3000, which means if I come here and just open the localhost 3000, Here we have the Vue project. I'm going to close this and let's go to app home. Here we have this hello world, which I'm going to remove and just say h1 Laravel plus Vue. I'm going to remove also this image here. Okay, remove this hello world. Put a save that. Now let's go to home view, and here we have the welcome, which we don't need that. I'm going to just to say h2 hello, and yeah, we have Laravel plus Vue here, and home and about, and here we have hello. On the about we have something else. Okay, let's see on the backend now. We don't need to run the npm install and npm run build. Just let's open this with a VS Code. And yeah, we need to zoom it a little bit. We can go to composer.json file to see we have Laravel framework. We have also the Laravel sanctum. We have Tinker, and that's it. Which means if I go to routes, we have the API by default here because we choose Breeze API. On the web, we have this route get and return just an array with Laravel passing the app version of the Laravel. So if I navigate the backend now, so I'm going to open a new tab and say just backend.api.test because I'm using here herd right now. So backend.test. We have here the Laravel version. So just let me zoom it. Yeah. Okay. Now on the api.php, we have this route number auth sanctum, get the user and return request user. Okay, that's it all about this video. Just to create the projects, we need the backend and the front end. I have opened, so I have created in separate folders and I have opened in separate code editors. That's it all about this video. Now, if you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.